Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll be talking about how you can enable Nvidia DLSS in your games. So as you can see, I've just opened briefly a small article on the XDA. This is actually a cool website, and here they just explain what the DLSS is and which cards support it and stuff like that. But we're not talking about the actual explanation, we're talking about how to actually turn it on. Okay guys, so to briefly explain to you very quickly how to do this. So in my case, I can't enable DLSS because I don't have a corresponding Nvidia GPU, but if you have a RTX GPU, this is the only lineup of the GPUs that support the DLSS technology, you can enable DLSS in the game that supports it. So for example, let me open up a game called Path of Exile. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am now in Path of Exile, and as you can see, I have opened my settings. So what do we have here? So as you can see, this is my GPU. I'm running on Vulkan, and guys, in the game that supports your DLSS functionality, which is only once again available on Nvidia card, you will have in your graphical settings this upscale mode. As you can see here, I have FSR. So as you can see, we also here have Nvidia DLSS, but it's grayed out and unavailable to me because I don't have a Nvidia GPU. But if you have it, very simply, let me just close this, right? So just walk around a bit. So you just press escape, you go to your settings, you go to your graphics, you find upscaling mode. It can have like a different name or something. You just choose DLSS and you choose the preset, right? For example, you have different presets, and if you want to know more about what this function actually does, go ahead and do your research, or you can just leave a comment and ask us to explain this to you. I am very familiar with this topic. I can tell you a lot about it, so if you want to know more, just leave a comment and we will explain everything. But in general, yeah, go to graphics, upscale mode, choose DLSS, and you're done and good to go, guys. Thanks for watching, hopefully this helps. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.